What's up guys, and guess who's back? It's been so long since we had a bombshell Nokia news. Apparently the big ultra flagship from Nokia is coming, and it could be the world's first phone with a 200 megapixel smartphone sensor. Along with this, we could see something else that we have never seen before. According to the report coming via Korean media, it is rumored that Nokia could be working on a brand new flagship named Nokia X60 with some groundbreaking specs. We're talking super curved OLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate, a massive 6000 mAh battery, and a 200 megapixel smartphone camera sensor, which is very likely to be made by Samsung. As we know, Samsung is working on this brand new sensor which is gonna come out in the second half of 2021. We might see Samsung's announcement for this sensor in the coming months. Samsung has collaborated with pretty much all the brands out there right now, so this could be a dream Samsung X Nokia collaboration in the making. Now weirdly enough, this could be Nokia's first flagship phone to run Harmony OS by Huawei. Yes, the report says that Nokia is testing out Harmony OS for their upcoming flagship phones, at least in China only. It will have HMS services, but because they have access to Google services as well, these phones can also potentially run Google applications. Again, this is apparently only planned for China. They might be doing this collaboration with Huawei in order to gain this massive momentum. We've also heard that Harmony OS would come to even other Chinese smartphones as well. Now you may recall that Nokia was working on an under-screen camera flagship last year which wasn't released, as it was rumored that Nokia wasn't satisfied with this under-display camera performance. So perhaps this year we might see under-screen camera, especially with companies like ZTE releasing a phone with second-gen UDC later this year, so anything could happen. Now hands down, the 200 megapixel sensor sounds pretty interesting. I really want to see what quality it brings to the table to smartphones camera game. Another phone that could come out and use this Samsung 200 megapixel sensor could be a Xiaomi flagship that is also very heavily rumored to come later this year. According to Digital Chat Station, this sensor could have a resolution of 192 megapixel, just under 200 number, with the support of 16:1 pixel binning, which in turn output 12 megapixel resolution images. Because this is such a high quality sensor, it will provide a native high quality digital 4x lossless zoom. That is a very decent range of zoom just by using the main camera sensor. This phone is also rumored to be the first smartphone to come with a Snapdragon 895 chip based on 4nm architecture. It will also use Cortex X2 core and the latest ARM v9 architecture to challenge the likes of Apple A15 and also Samsung X AMD chip. So apart from Nokia, Xiaomi is also looking to become the first smartphone manufacturer with this high quality sensor. Guys, I have to say the second half of 2021 is still pretty exciting. Now speaking of second half of 2021, we'll see a much awaited flagship smartphone from Samsung, that is Galaxy S21 FE. It might have something that we don't even see on the S21 Ultra. According to the recent leak, the S21 FE could sport 45-watt fast charging, which is definitely a lot more than the 25-watt speed that we see on the S21 Ultra. It probably won't come with this 45-watt charger out of the box, so you might have to spend some extra money. Now apart from this, the S21 FE could also pack the micro SD card slot for storage expansion, which is something again we don't see on the traditional Galaxy S21 lineup. So yeah guys, that's all the latest news. Some heavy reports are coming out regarding Nokia's ultimate comeback. They will absolutely release a flagship phone sometime later this year. Hopefully it will come with some groundbreaking specs to challenge the likes of Samsung and Apple. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications on, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.